Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm doing what's like a 3D flower from Fozia Creations, but I'm actually changing it over a bit, and you'll see as we proceed with my painting. I'm going to be using all Boom Gels today. And you'll see that I changed the tops to the Boom Gels. I'm going to be using the cherry flame red Boom Gel, sterling wax white, the metal gold metal. But as you'll notice on the pearlescent yellow, I'm going to show you the little hack that I learned. I'm changing the top because those tops gave me, they made a lot of bubbles yesterday. So I'm changing the top, and I buy these little bottles from Amazon, and it just so happens that the tops to these bottles fit perfectly on top of my Boom Gel bottles. It's just amazing. So it's really exciting because now I get to I get to have this thin little top on my Boom Gel, and it makes things really easy. So how about that? So I'm going to be painting on this small little gallery wrapped canvas. So I'm still testing out, and yeah, so I'm gonna proceed, and I'm gonna be using the flame tree red first, and you'll see how nice that paint comes out. Really pretty. And then my sterling wax white. And then the pearlescent yellow. This bottle is a little hard to squeeze out. The smaller bottles are not easy. Then my Willy Wagtail black. And then my metallic gold. And then I'm going to put on a little music, and I'll speed things up for you, so you don't have to just sit there and watch me paint. There you go. I do want to let you know how I'm using the skewer here. On the regular Dahlia flower, you would go from the outside in, and if you notice here, I'm going from the inside out, and that's what causes a different design. So you see I'm going from the inside, I'm pulling out, and then I am wiping the skewer as I go along. And now I'm going to add a little paint to the middle. I think the first time I might add, I add 3 little colors, but I'm adding just a little drop. Just a tiny drop. And then when I go back in with the skewer, I'm going to pull that out. And I'm going in between. It's always going in between what we did before. And the design comes absolutely beautiful. First time I got a beautiful leaf. And when I notice that the middle is getting a little white. So I go back in and I add a little more paint. And then I drag it out again. Always in between the lines. Just keep dragging it out between those lines. And it's good to work on the turntable. I mean, besides the fact that you are going to need the turntable anyway, but it's easy, makes it so much easier to make your lines, and you just, you know, pull it around as you go. Going back in there one more time. Remember, just put 2 little dots, 1 dot, you know, on each color. If I were to do this again, I may have added a little more paint around the edges before I started to pull my paints out, but I didn't, so you'll see as we go along what happens. I'm short a little paint, but it's okay. It works out in the end. It really does come beautiful. So now I'm going to start spinning, and this is where I'm going to speed this up. Okay. Well, maybe not a red dahlia, but pretty, pretty, pretty. Just love how that middle comes out. How about you? Okay, give me a thumbs up for that one. Thanks for coming, everyone. Have a great day. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Bye-bye now.